YouTube. Recording from Lauderdale Lakes, Florida. About to start my day. About to try and see if I could make some money. This is my setup for my car wash, mobile car wash. Right now, the tank is holding like over 200 gallons of water, so this should wash at least 20 cars for the day. Have my friends coming to help me. Today is gonna be a really busy day, so gotta make sure I have the water. So it's my trailer setup. I have two Honda pressure washers mounted on the back of the trailer. Everything well put together. Brainstorm. Put everything together to make sure everything is working nice. And I also have another tank on the back of my truck. It's a 100-gallon tank, but I use this in the weeks. I just make sure it's empty right now because it's gonna be too much weight on the truck. So I already have the trailer, so I don't really need that much water right now. So this is my setup though. We got the truck, Toyota truck. Very strong truck, a 2015 Toyota Tacoma. I have the 5,000 watt generator, Generac generator. Really strong generator, man. And this is my setup all the way in Lauderdale Lakes, South Florida. And this is my weekend hustle, so this is how we do it down there in Florida. Alright, I'm out.